Welcome to Technoland Expart. This single HTML file is a pure HTML and CSS illustration that constructs a stylized, cartoon-like version of Princess Zelda entirely from nested div elements, borders, border radius tricks, transforms, pseudo-elements, shadows, and layering, without using images, SVG, Canvas, or JavaScript, demonstrating classic CSS art techniques. The document begins with standard metadata for character encoding and responsive scaling, then defines a full viewport flexbox layout on the body to center the character against a soft pastel blue background while hiding overflow so no construction elements spill outside the scene. The Zelda container acts as the main coordinate system for the entire figure, using relative positioning and negative margins to fine-tune overall placement, while almost every internal element is absolutely positioned to allow pixel-level control. The head is built from the head element and its after pseudo-element, where the visible skin tone is actually drawn by the pseudo-element inside a clipped container that shapes the face using asymmetric border radius values, giving a soft anime-style jaw and forehead. Hair is layered aggressively using hair, hair 2, hair behind, long hair, hair strand 1. Hair zig, and multiple shading elements, each rotated and clipped to create bangs, side locks, and long flowing hair behind the head, with yellow and slightly darker yellow tones used to simulate highlights and depth via box shadows and overlapping shapes. Facial features are minimalist and expressive, with eyes constructed from rotated white ovals containing black inner pupils, eyebrows drawn as rotated black shapes layered above the eyes for expression, and additional eyebrow fragments in muted olive tones to suggest depth and stylization rather than realism. The nose is a tiny triangle formed purely from borders, and the smile is a black oval partially masked by a skin-colored pseudo-element to create a curved mouth line. Subtle face shading is added using semi-transparent box shadow arcs, shade face, shade to chin, rotated and positioned to suggest cheek and chin contours without hard lines. Accessories like the crown and jewelry are built from rotated squares and circles with gold and red colors, outlined with darker borders for contrast, while multiple circle elements form decorative head ornaments arranged across the hairline. Ears are simple rounded skin-toned shapes placed behind the hair layers with negative z-index values to ensure they visually sit behind the face. The neck and body continue the same construction philosophy, using stacked rectangles with rounded corners and color variations to imply clothing layers, where the dress itself is cleverly formed using large CSS triangles made from borders, layered twice, dress and second dress, to add thickness and highlights. Arms and hands are composed of rotated rectangles and rounded blocks in skin and white tones to represent sleeves, gloves, and hands, carefully stacked with z-index values so one arm appears in front and the other behind the body. The belt is a simple gold band anchoring the dress visually at the waist, while the feet are flat white rounded rectangles placed at the bottom to complete the silhouette. The sword is an independent construction made from stacked rectangles and triangles, using light and darker grays for blade shading, gold for the hilt, and a small red diamond detail, with the blade's depth suggested by an internal shaded strip and a triangular tip created from CSS borders. Throughout the code, z-index is used extensive, often with negative values to control which parts appear in front or behind others, mimicking real-world layering like hair over face or arms behind the torso. Transforms such as rotate are heavily relied upon to avoid rigid, boxy shapes and instead create organic angles for hair strands, eyes, eyebrows, arms, and accessories.